Hello everyone, my name is Sheikh Irfan and in this video we are going to learn durability of concrete. So let's start with the definition of it first. Durability of concrete is defined as the ability to resist weathering actions. Weathering actions means if my concrete is able to take various actions and it is not getting disintegrated, then that is nothing but resistance against weathering action. So durability of concrete will be defined as ability to resist weathering action, that is disintegrating action, such as chemical, that those actions may be chemical actions or physical actions. That means our weathering or that disintegration will be due to the chemical factors or physical factors. So the various attacks, if it can resist various attacks such as chemical attack, abrasion or any other deterioration, then that concrete will be said to be a durable concrete. Simply, it is the ability to resist weathering action, any weathering action or disintegrating action or deteriorating action. So durability is also a ability to last long without significant deterioration. If my concrete is not getting deteriorated and if it is getting last for a long time, if its lifespan is more, then that is also called as durability. And it is also an ability to perform satisfactorily in any exposure conditions. See, IS 456-2000 has given various exposure conditions, whether it is mild exposure condition, environmental condition, it is moderate, mild, or various severe or very severe or extreme conditions. So depending upon IS 456, if my particular concrete structure or member is constructed in a particular locality, so it should resist those actions, those exposure conditions or those environmental conditions, and it should last long for over a long period of time. So that is nothing but that ability will be called as durability of concrete. So what are the factors that affect the durability of concrete? See, the concrete ingredients, which ingredients are you using, coarse aggregate, fine aggregate, which type of cement are you using, then proportioning of concrete mix, what is the proportion of concrete mix, whether is it M20, M25 or any other concrete grade, then mixing and placing or even curing methods, which methods are you adopting for placing the concrete, which methods of curing are you adopting. So all these factors affect the durability of concrete and ultimate durability also. And durability is nothing but lifespan of structure over a long period of time. It should resist all the factors, all the weathering actions, all the chemical weathering, physical weathering, all the deteriorating actions. So that is nothing but durability. So as I am saying that durability is nothing but lifespan of structure against various actions. So what is the design life or service life of a particular structure? See, for most of the building, it is taken as 30 to 50 years, and even it may long up to 100 years. Generally, any concrete structure may be designed for a service lifespan of 50 years, up to 50 years, and it may go up to 100 years also. So the concrete as a structural material should have ability to withstand not only various chemical and physical attacks, also the natural deteriorating processes and various attacks also. So that is nothing but durability. If my concrete is able to take or it is giving resistance against the various actions, natural actions, various attacks, chemical attacks, physical attacks, then that my concrete will be called as durable concrete. And we have seen what is weathering. Weathering nothing but disintegration of concrete or deterioration of concrete. So how the weathering can be? So weathering can be divided into three forms. First is mechanical weathering. Mechanical weathering will include impact. If the concrete is getting impacted due to any water, say water or any other external force, so that will come under the category of mechanical weathering. First is impact, then abrasion will also come in the category of mechanical weathering, that is wear and tear of the concrete surfaces or concrete structures, then erosion and cavitation. So all these will come under the category of mechanical weathering. Then we have another physical weathering. So physical weathering of concrete will be due to freezing and thawing of action of ice, then permeability of concrete and high heat of hydration. This will come under the category of physical weathering. And last we have chemical weathering. As the name says, chemical weathering. So it will be weathering of concrete or disintegration of concrete due to weathering, due to various chemical attacks such as alkali aggregate reaction. We have seen this alkali aggregate reaction in detail in our previous chapter. Then sulfate attack, chloride attack, that we are going to see in our next videos. What is sulfate attack, what is chloride attack, why it happens, what is the effect of these attacks on the durability of concrete, that we are going to see. So this comes under the category of chemical attack: alkali aggregate reaction, sulfate attack, chloride attack, any chemical attack. Physical weathering will be freezing and thawing action of ice, permeability, and high heat of hydration. And mechanical weathering will be due to impact, abrasion, erosion, and cavitation. So these are the categories of weathering of concrete. So this was the video about introduction to the durability of concrete. Thank you.